Stop doing this before you refuel your car. Seriously, most drivers get it wrong. Right before people pump gas, there's one little habit almost everyone does. And it's quietly destroying your car's fuel system. It messes with sensitive sensors, increases vapor buildup, and in rare cases, can even create the perfect conditions for a dangerous fuel vapor flash. Here's the wild part. More than 90% of drivers repeat this mistake every week. They think it's saving time or helping their engine, but in reality, it's shaving years off its life. One retired Shell fuel engineer even said it's the #1 mistake he saw at stations worldwide. Mistake number 1. Keeping the engine on while fueling. It feels like common sense, yet NFPA reports show that almost 1 out of every 10 drivers still pump gas with their engine quietly running. And this isn't a small slip-up. It's a major and extremely risky habit. Gas vapors are dense and sink toward the ground, gathering around the nozzle and filler neck. When your engine stays on, the alternator, ignition coils, and even the cooling fan create tiny sparks and warm points that can ignite those vapors under the wrong conditions. But that's only part of the danger. Modern vehicles use EVAP purge valves that can activate during refueling. If the engine is idling, they can pull raw gasoline fumes directly toward the intake, upsetting the air-fuel mix and causing rough running or a complete stall right after filling up. What should you do instead? Always shut the engine down fully before starting the pump. Give it about 10 seconds so vapors can settle before opening the cap. Avoid accessory mode because several fuel sensors still stay powered. This simple habit protects your injectors, charcoal canister, oxygen sensors, and the entire fuel system from unnecessary vapor contamination. Mistake number 2. Adding more fuel after the pump automatically shuts off. This one catches people off guard because most drivers assume a little extra fuel won't matter. But squeezing in those few more cents after the nozzle clicks is actually one of the quickest ways to destroy your EVAP system, the system responsible for trapping and managing fuel vapors. Every vehicle built since 1996 includes a charcoal canister that stores vapor so it doesn't escape into the air. When you continue filling past the automatic shutoff, liquid gasoline gets pushed straight into that canister. And here's what follows. The charcoal becomes soaked, airflow is restricted, the check engine light turns on, and both fuel trims and idle performance decline. Worst of all, once that canister is contaminated, replacement costs typically range from $500 to $1,200, and most dealerships refuse warranty coverage if they determine overfilling caused the failure. The solution? When the pump shuts off the first time, stop immediately. That click comes from a vacuum sensor detecting a full tank. Anything added afterward forces liquid fuel into areas meant only for vapor, and that's where the damage begins. Mistake number 3. Opening the fuel cap too quickly. It seems like the simplest step, twist and remove, but doing it fast can actually strain your fuel system. After your car sits or drives in warm weather, pressure builds inside the tank. If you snap that cap open in one motion, the sudden rush of pressure releases violently, sending vaporized fuel straight into your EVAP lines. Or worse, right toward your face. This rapid pressure drop can also confuse the tank pressure sensor, causing it to store an incorrect EVAP leak code like P0455 or P0406. The right way. Turn the cap slowly counterclockwise until you hear a gentle hiss. Give it 2 seconds for the pressure to settle, then remove it fully. It's a tiny step, but it's the same method professional mechanics and fuel chemists follow during refueling tests on every vehicle. Mistake number 4. Failing to tighten the fuel cap correctly. It feels like a tiny detail, but it's actually one of the top reasons a check engine light suddenly appears. When the gas cap isn't sealed firmly, outside air slips into the system and disrupts EVAP pressure readings. The car's computer reads that imbalance as a vapor leak and immediately triggers an emissions alert. Even worse, an unsealed cap allows fuel vapors to escape, which means you're literally losing gasoline into the air without realizing it. The proper technique is simple. Tighten the cap until you hear 3 clear clicks. If your vehicle uses a capless filler, make sure the internal flap stays clean and free of dirt. Replace the gas cap every 5 years or around 60,000 miles since the rubber gasket eventually dries out. This quick 5-second habit prevents pointless diagnostic expenses. Bonus tip: never rely blindly on the distance to empty reading. Your dashboard's estimate isn't precise,